It's just a vibe, I'm that guy. She put her legs in the sky whenever I pull up. She got her clothes off from the walk.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing the JanetCollection Melt HD Lace Wig Floy in the color Balayage 30. This is what she looks like right out of the box. I want to give a big shout out to Ebonyline for sending me this wig to review for you guys. This is what the lace looks like. It comes pre-plucked, and then it's just a dark root to brown ombre color. And this is how the lace looks up against my skin. It has your traditional wig cap construction with 3 combs and adjustable straps. And I'm just going to put it on my head so that I can show you guys what it looks like right out of the pack. It fits pretty well. I don't think that is big head friendly though, because I struggled trying to make it fit on my hairline. So I would say it's like small to medium size head friendly. But I am going to show you what it looks like in the middle part and in the side part, just so that you can see how it looks right out of the box, because I am going to style it a little differently. So I do want to mention that the roots are a little bumpy when you get it right out of the box. So you'll just need to use like a wax stick and a hot comb to just kind of flatten the roots out. But this is what it looks like straight out of the box, just styled before cutting the lace or anything like that. I really do like it in the side part, more so than in the middle, but that's just because of the length that it is on me. I wanted to cut it a little shorter and wear it in the middle instead. So I'll go through the steps and show you guys how I achieved the style. So first I'm going to use powder foundation to tint my lace in a sense. This is just the easier method for me. After that, I'm going to put the wig back on and measure it up against my hairline to make sure that it's in the right spot before I start installing it. Once I got the wig where I want it, I'm going to use my Ebin adhesive spray and spray that on top of the lace before cutting the lace. Because of how like small it fit on my head, I felt like this would be a little bit easier for me to install it this way. Once I feel like that's completely blow dried, I'm just going to use my elastic band and tie that around my hairline to help melt the lace. While I wait for that to melt, I'm just going to start styling the hair. I usually leave my elastic band on for about 10 to 15 minutes while I style my hair. And I'm just going to start with the part because this is a super simple style. I just wanted a zigzag part. I wanted to try something different. So I'll show you guys how I got it. I literally just like part from side to side until I get like the desired zigzag. It's super simple. And then after that, I'm going to take my elastic band off, do my baby hairs, and then I'll also show you guys how I cut the wig a little bit shorter to frame my face a little bit better. So after I finish that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my elastic band off and cut off my lace. And I do want to mention that this hair is very soft and shiny. It's like a natural shine. It's not like too shiny to where it looks wiggy. I really like that, and I like how soft and bouncy the hair is because nobody wants like a stiff bob. And I love how much parting space comes with this wig. So like if you wanted to do like a deep side part or just a regular middle part, or maybe like a half up, half down, you can definitely do that with this type of wig. The lace was also very easy to melt. After I cut off the lace and everything like that, I just added some more of the spray along the hairline and blow dried it so that there will be no white cast along the hairline. And I like to use the spray in between where my hairline starts and where the baby hairs come down. And I only do one section at a time because you don't want to spray your whole hairline and it reactivates your first layer of spray and then it loosens your install. So after I spray one section, I just blow dry it to make sure that it's dry before moving on to the next. Or you can always spray your finger and use your finger along the edges and just dab it that way and then blow dry it until it's completely dry, because you don't want your install to get messed up and you don't want your wig to be sliding around. And then I'm just going to put my elastic band back on to melt that even further. And I only left my elastic band on for about 5 minutes, and this is what my install is looking like so far. So it may look a little bit like white on camera, but it's melted into my skin tone very well. And then I'm gonna go in with my Wetline Extreme Gel to do my baby hairs. And I'm just gonna swoop them like I do in pretty much every video. I put the gel on there first, and then I swoop with the brush, and I follow the brush down my baby hair with my finger. So I'll let you guys watch me do my baby hairs. And to hold my baby hairs in place, I just like to spray that adhesive spray on top and just spread it down with my finger and then blow dry it. And as you can see, I'm working one section at a time, or one baby hair at a time. And that's because I don't want the new layer of spray to reactivate the older layers of spray and lift my install. So now that I'm finished installing the wig, this is what it looks like. I have not cut it yet. So as you can see, it's like shorter in the back and longer in the front. And I do also want to point out that this wig didn't really fit me ear to ear. It was kind of short above both of my ears. So I do want you to keep that in mind, that it may not be like a full 13 inch, or maybe my hairline's longer than 13 inches. I'm not sure, but I just wanted to let you guys know that. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the wig, and I just want it to be the same length as the rest of I wanted it to be all one length. So I'm just cutting it until it matches the length in the back. If you do plan on cutting your wig, I recommend you do it before you install it. It's much easier to cut it on like a mannequin head. And it doesn't have to be perfect because the ends are bumped, so you won't really be able to tell if it's like slightly uneven in some places. But I just kept cutting away at it until it was like to the desired length that I wanted it to be. And I absolutely love this length on myself. I think it flatters my face so much more. I absolutely love this color. And I love how well the install came out. The hair is super flowy and bouncy, and just like it has that natural shine. And look how I'm feeling myself, you guys. Like, I look so happy. I feel so cute. So I went off camera and I did my makeup and put on an outfit. And this is how it came out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you like blunt cut bobs or asymmetrical bobs? Would you rock this zigzag part? If anyone's interested in purchasing this wig, because I do highly recommend that you buy this wig, the link will be in the description box. I also absolutely love this color, this ombre to chocolate brown. I love that, especially for the fall season. Thank you again, Ebonyline, for sending me this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.